questions, certainly ask me. Number one, the endocrine gland on the left, I believe on the left was the anterior pituitary, and on the right, the lighter gland is the posterior pituitary. Good, you did that pretty good, better than me. Okay, the endocrine gland, this is a slide of, this was the thymus, and at the pointer for number 4 is the thymic corpuscle, also known as the Hassel's corpuscle. Okay, 5, this is the pancreas, and 6 at the lighter area at the pointer is an islet, pancreatic islet. Islet or islet of Langerhans, I'll take either one of those. Okay, this is a slide of the testes, and number 8 is the cell at the pointer. There's a couple of cells there, they're all Leydig cells. 9 and 10, the brain is the pituitary gland. The stalk is the infundibulum. And 11, I was looking for the parathyroid. Smaller gland at the pointer there. 12, the green and red and orange, those are neurons. If you said axons, I'll take that too. And 13 should be posterior pituitary. Okay, 14, the endocrine gland is the thymus. And 15, the yellow area is the adrenal cortex. If you just said cortex, I'll take that as well. Okay, 16, I think this is the stratum functionalis. The organ is the uterus, yes. So you should see those long endometrial glands there. Okay, this slide, 18, is the epididymis, and the pointer on the hair-like structures for 19, stereocilia. If you told me microvilli, I'll take that as well. Okay, 20, this is a slide of the ovary. And the cells at the pointer, I was looking for either follicular cells or granulosa cells.
Corona radiata?
It's not corona radiata or zona pellucida, that's around the oocyte, which is separate from the. Okay, 22. Now this slide is a slide of the thyroid. So the fluid area in the thyroid follicles is called colloid. And 24, I think this is the slide of the penis. So at the pointer is the corpus spongiosum, and the open area within that is the penile urethra. I think that was a question straight from your quiz. My girlfriend wasn't cooperating here, so she's hiding her thymus, but that was 26. 27 is the pancreas, and 28 is the ovary. Okay, 29, we're looking at telophase 1. So you have to tell me both the stage and the phase. And 30 is metaphase 1. Okay, 31 is prophase 1, and I'm looking for crossing over for the event. 33 is the vas deferens, and 34 is the seminal vesicle.
Did you take ampulla of vas deferens?
I'll take that.
Okay.
It really isn't the ampulla I'm pointing to, but as long as you had vas deferens there,
Yeah,
that's
okay.
fine. 35 is the bulbourethral gland, or Cowper's gland. 36, I was looking for the ejaculatory duct.
Where do you accept some of those?
I'll have to go back and look at the text and see how they label it. But it's usually this, when the seminal vesicle merges with the vas deferens, it's the ejaculatory duct at that point.
Okay.
Okay, here 37 is the vagina, 38 is the labia minora, and 39 is the clitoris. Okay, 40, each one of those cells is a blastomere. And 41, this is the morula. 42, the mass, I'm looking for the inner cell mass. 43, this is fertilization supposedly taking place there. 44 is the amniotic cavity, and 45, the yolk sac. 46, the smooth covering is the amnion. Amnion or amniotic covering. Right, karyotype. The karyotype does show a genetic disorder, and it is Down syndrome. 48 asks what is the sex of this person. It is a male with Down syndrome. So just male. 49, if both parents are tasters and their daughter's a non-taster, then the parents must be heterozygous. So I would use the letter T, but you could use any letter as long as you showed me a heterozygous genotype for both parents. For example, capital T lowercase t is dad, and capital T lowercase t is mom. And then for 50, I switched it so the parents are now non-tasters, but we want to know what's the percent chance that their child could be a taster. It's a 0% chance. If both parents are non-tasters, they're both homozygous recessive, so they both would have little t, for example. They have a 100% chance that their child or children will all be non-tasters. 0% chance they're tasters. Hopefully everybody did well.